Students, a very important topic is before you, that is cross product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors is defined as the product of the magnitude of the two vectors with sign of the angle between them. Since cross product is a vector quantity, we provide a unit vector, that is n cap. So A vector cross B vector is equal to C vector is given by AB sine theta into n cap. N cap, the unit vector, gives the direction of A vector cross B vector. Now the question is that, how will you give the direction of unit vector? Students, direction of unit vector is given by right hand rule. Curl the fingers of right hand from A vector to B vector. Then thumb stretched perpendicular to them will give the direction of A vector cross B vector. Remember that we shall curl the fingers of our right hand from first vector to second vector. Suppose it is given B vector cross A vector, then we shall curl the fingers from B vector to A vector. Then thumb will point in the downward direction. So the cross product of B vector with A vector will be vertically downward. Remember that the direction of cross product of two vectors is always perpendicular to the plane containing two vectors. Suppose A vector and B vector are in xy plane, then their resultant will be along z axis, maybe along positive z axis or negative z axis. As you are going to observe, A vector cross B vector is not equal to B vector cross A vector. A vector cross B vector is pointing in positive z direction and B vector cross A vector is pointing in negative z axis. Therefore, we can say A vector cross B vector is equal to minus B vector cross A vector.